Alrighty, boys. So today I'm going to show you guys how to enable all of these, the current amount billing, cost breakdown, and also forecast month end. Now, as you guys can see, I am on my IAM user, and the way to know if you're on your IAM user, then what you have to do is click on your profile right here. And then if you see this option that says IAM user, then it actually means you're on your IAM user. But now if I switch to Chrome, this is my root user, and to show you that this is my root user, as you guys can see, I don't have the IAM user label here, which means I am on my root user. So how to fix this issue right here? Now what you have to do is go to your root user and then click on account. Once you're inside the account option right here, then what you have to do is scroll down a little bit until you see this option that says IAM user in role access billing information. Now what you have to do is click on edit and then activate IAM user. Simple as that. Just click on update and you are good to go. Now let's switch back to my IAM user. Now if I refresh this, it might show or it might not, because it usually takes up to like a minute to 30 seconds for this whole thing to load up. Now let me see if it has loaded up. So yeah, let's wait for it. So yeah, as you guys can see, I don't have the access, I don't have the current month access, and also the cost breakdown as well. Now what you guys have to do is wait for it for at least 30 seconds or 1 minute. I believe it's the max amount is 1 minute. So yeah, let's wait for it for a minute, and then I'll catch with you guys again. Alright, so as you guys can see, after like a minute later, all these options are enabled. And just to show you guys that this is my IAM user account. There you go, as you guys can see, and also my root user account. And yeah, this is how you fix it. So make sure to subscribe. I want to start my YouTube journey, I guess. You can call it a journey or maybe a career. But yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share this video. Und Dankeschön.